In this video, we'll be reviewing the maintenance steps for the Extreme series. Disconnect the bottle probe from the system. Remove the evaporator grill. Check coil for dirt accumulation. Clean to remove dirt buildup. Use a brush and vacuum to clean the coil. Remove the condenser grill. Check coil for dirt accumulation. Check for particulate accumulation on filters. Clean to remove dirt buildup. Replace if missing or damaged. Inspect grills for dirt accumulation. Clean to remove dirt buildup. Reinstall the condenser grill. Use the provided drain brush to clean out the internal drain line. Use the provided drain brush to clear out the external drain line. Remove screws and access panel from the side of the unit. Perform condensate drain test to verify proper drainage. Remove excess water out of internal drain pan after condensate drain test has been performed. Use a rag to wipe and clean the internal drain pan. Insert provided pan tablets into the drip tray. Reinstall access panel. Remove the faceplate. Check the control for dirt, debris, and loose terminations. Clean and tighten electrical connections as needed. Reinstall the faceplate. Reinstall the evaporator grill. Reconnect the bottle probe to the unit. Next, power on the system. Check fan operation and confirm the evaporator and condenser fans are running. Check bottle probe condition. Clean bottle probe by wiping it with a towel or rag and change the water inside the wine bottle.